po. Well, update po no sa ating tourist arrival here in Boracay Island for the half month of February. So as of February 15 po, 2026, yung total tourist arrival po natin is nasa 102,301 po, wherein yung foreign po doon is nasa 28,670. Yung domestic naman po natin na nasa 71,868, while yung OF natin or yung overseas foreign natin is nasa 1,763 po na tourists. So kung i-compare po natin siya on February 2025, for the whole month of February, nasa 174,966 po yung ating tourist arrival noong month of February 2025, wherein yung daily po na daily tourist arrival average po last year is nasa 5,344, wherein sa ngayong year naman po as of February 14 meron po tayong nare-receive na daily tourist arrival na average of 6,820. So kung i-compare po natin siya from last year, mataas po mas mataas po yung ating tourist arrival for this year compared po sa last year. So this year we are needing to kumbaga target po natin na tourist arrival this year for the month of February is at least maka 175,000 tayo para po lagpasan natin yung ating tourist arrival last year. And we are very positive naman po tayo na malalagpasan po natin yung ating tourist arrival last year before this month ends po. So hopefully, marireach po natin yung ating target tourist arrival.